Welcome to our complete guide on how to disable story autosave on Snapchat. Customize your Snapchat settings and take control of your story saving preferences by following these simple steps. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Under My Story, tap on the three dots icon to access additional story settings. Next, locate the option to turn off autosave to memories, and toggle the setting to disable automatic saving of your stories. Once you have turned off autosave to memories, tap on Done to save your changes. By following these steps, you can prevent your stories from being automatically saved to memories and have more control over which content you choose to save. Thank you for watching this guide on how to disable story autosave on Snapchat. Customize your story saving preferences and enjoy a more personalized Snapchat experience by following these steps to turn off autosave to memories. Keep your stories private and choose when to save them with this simple adjustment to your Snapchat settings.